Hey y'all, it's Kayla again. We're back with another AFI DIY. This time, we'll be making an intermediate phosphate free cleaner. This is a dilutable cleaner with degreasing capabilities. Let's take a look at what we'll need. For supplies, you'll need a large glass beaker, a glass stirring rod, rubber gloves, a container for packaging. To make 9 ounces of product, you'll need 81.9% or 8 ounces of deionized water Versine 100, 4.1% or 0.4 ounces of tetrasodium EDTA, 5.43 or 0.54 ounces of trisodium citrate, 8.4% or 0.81 ounces of Stepsol DG, 0.17% or 10 drops of fragrance. AFI has an extensive fragrance library and it's jam-packed with thousands of incredible fragrances. All you have to do is simply visit our online store and pick the scent that's right for you. We chose Fresh Orange for this DIY. It smells really refreshing. Make sure to put on your gloves and let's get started. First, pour the deionized water into the beaker and dissolve the tetrasodium EDTA and the trisodium citrate in the water. Next, while mixing, add your Stepsol DG. Lastly, add your fragrance and continue mixing until homogeneous, and then transfer the mixture into your packaging container. And now your intermediate phosphate-free cleaner is ready to use. This DIY only cost us right at $2. This product can be sold wholesale for $3 to $4 and retail for $8 to $10. Another great cleaning product is our DIY high foaming window and glass cleaner. That's all we have for you guys today. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss a video. See you next time. Bye!